Apparently we still have a problem with the BLE chip firmware. This is the connectivity bridge, and currently it does not output any data. It is collecting data until 2 kilobytes of data are collected, and then it will spit all of that data at once. This should take some time. So this is currently the UART, USB to UART. If I try to send some data, let's say button, the board reacts. Now it printed a lot of data. Now the board is configured to send data constantly. This is why the updates are more frequent, but what is seen on screen should flow and should not be collected and sent as large packets. And this is a defect which I have described to Nordic months ago, and they have not done absolutely anything to solve this. So Mr. Page, please make sure somebody from your team sees this and takes care not to be a penalty on our project, because we have wasted many months trying to fix this, trying to work with you to help you improve your project. I have not seen any improvements so far, and to prove that this is not caused by the main CPU, I can reboot the main. Now it was reset. Okay, now we are in the debugger. Restart, and now the board has been reset, and the BLE chip is still buffering a lot of data. And I will cut the power to force it to fully restart and be operational again, and then things will work better. Oh, and sometimes it just fixes on its own. Usually it takes a few minutes. So this video has been for almost 4 minutes. Well, Mr. Page, your colleagues have important tasks to do. Please do not please make this work and make sure that we have connectivity in Spain, because currently this board is in Bulgaria. If I set it to NB-IoT, it connects instantly. Same in Germany with LTE-M. And here, if I set it to LTE-M, which is not supported, then I can connect through my phone and tell the modem switch to NB-IoT, and in no longer than 3 seconds it will connect and we are online. In Spain this does not work. And another thing I have for you, change we made and discovered yesterday with my colleague. This is the original state, and we at -1, because when the existing mode params are checked, and then we have so then we have configured existing mode. M1 support enabled, NB-IoT disabled, GPS disabled, LTE preference. When we set this to 1, to force the modem to stay in M1 mode and to disable fallback to NB1, because we're having issues, as you know, in Spain. When we force this, then we come inside LTEC here, and in the bit mask this option LTE preference equals 1 is stored, and then when we compare the current mode, you are only checking for none, then LTE-M, NB-IoT, GPS, LTE-M, GPS, NB-IoT, GPS, but when you set this bit, then you enter here invalid system mode, then you power off the modem, and then we spend days and days trying to figure out why we did this important change you told us to do, and then suddenly from sometimes connecting we went to always offline and instant failure. Please provide a working SDK. This Nordic SDK has been a complete and utter nightmare to work with.